Here are two pickled chilies in the jar which I have seen for the first time. One is without label and the other one is with label, showing the name of the manufacturer and contact. If you are a customer, which one would you buy? If you are a grocer, which one would you prefer to put on your shelf to sell? Here are two pickled chilies in the jar, one with product liability insurance and the other one does not. Which one would you prefer to put on your shelf to sell? Based on the scenarios given, do you think product liability insurance helps to build trust quickly among customers and distributors? Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about product liability insurance. Product liability insurance protects businesses from claims that might arise from the product they sell or make. When claims are being made by customer, whether the business is at fault or not, it will have to attend to the matter promptly to manage the expectation of the customer. This is to reduce the chances of the matter being escalated into a major PR crisis. If such situations are not responded properly, the customer may lodge report to the authorities and rant publicly in social media. Have you encountered companies with first response to any complaints which is to act defensive, deny, deflect, or put the blame back to the customers? Sounds familiar? Businesses with product liability insurance will have the advantage of having a set of SOP to handle such situations, which is to get the complainant to file an official claim by filling up claim form from the insurance company. This assures the customer that if the product is at fault and they suffer injury or property damages due to it, they will get compensated. After submission of the claim form, the insurance company will step in to manage the process, help with the defense and cover the settlement if the business is found to be at fault for making or selling a faulty product that causes the harm. As such, this claim process is the most valuable benefit of having product liability insurance, as it allows the management to continue to focus on their daily tasks, take care of all the customers, and manage their financial obligations without getting overwhelmed by the event. Here are 8 notable product liability cases over the years to help you understand product liability better. Number 1, duty of care. In the year 1932, Mrs. Donahue found herself hospitalized after consuming ginger beer tainted with a decomposed snail. The consequential legal case, Donahue versus Stevenson, the House of Lords pronounced that manufacturers have a duty of care not only to the immediate buyer but also to the end consumer. This case played a pivotal role in shaping legal principles surrounding negligence and duty of care, especially within the realms of product liability and consumer protection. Number 2, defective design. There was a design defect, a case involving a car model manufactured in the 1970s. This issue revolved around the location of the fuel tank, which was positioned in a way that made it vulnerable to rupture during rear-end collision, and the car's rear-end structure had projecting bolts that could puncture the fuel tank upon impact. This design flaw led to the series of fires and deaths when rear-end collision occurred. The car company faced significant legal and public relation challenges as a result. Number 3, manufacturing defect. A manufacturing defect case involving a smartphone model in the year 2016. It had a critical manufacturing flaw relating to its lithium-ion battery. Investigations revealed that the issue stems from a design flaw in the battery that led to the short circuit. The defect caused some of the phones to overheat, catch fire, or explode. Airlines have also banned passengers from carrying this particular phone model on board. Number 4, failure to warn or inadequate labeling. One landmark case involving inadequate labeling is the pharmaceutical case of a medication in the late 1950s. The medication was marketed as a sedative and it also prescribed to pregnant women to alleviate morning sickness. The inadequate labeling and testing of the medication led to severe birth defects in thousands of infants whose mothers had taken the drug during pregnancy. The labeling did not adequately convey the risks associated with its use during pregnancy. Number 5, breach of implied warranty. One notable case involving a breach of implied warranty is the case involving accidents caused by tire tread separation. The investigation revealed that the tire model used had a design flaw that made them prone to tread separation, especially in hot climates. This case involved a breach of implied warranty where consumers reasonably expect that the product they purchase will be fit for their ordinary and intended use, which includes driving during hot weather. Number 6, strict liability. In this case, the customer was injured while using a diving board. The diving board had a manufacturing defect that caused it to break, leading to the injury. It was held that the manufacturer are strictly liable for injuries caused by the defects in their products, emphasizing the importance of ensuring the safety of consumer products. The court reasoned that strict liability is necessary to protect consumers from the dangers posed by defective products and to encourage manufacturers to produce safer products. Number 7, false advertising or misrepresentation. In 2017, a company advertised that its supplement was clinically proven to improve memory and cognitive function. It was found that the company company had relied on a single study that did not prove the product's effectiveness and that the advertising misled the consumers. Number 8. Product misuse. In 1992, a lady purchased a cup of coffee from a restaurant. While sitting in a parked car, she spilled the coffee on herself. She suffered severe burns covering 16% of her body, which required skin grafting and 8-day hospital stay. The incident also left her with scars and disability for over 2 years. The lady claimed that the coffee was excessively hot, causing burns that were beyond what a reasonable customer would expect. She argued that the company failed to warn customers adequately about the potential dangers of the hot coffee. The restaurant argued that the lady misused the product by placing the hot coffee cup between her legs without securing the lid, which led to the spill. It was found that although the lady was at fault, the company was mainly responsible for the incident. Hi, I'm Hanson Lai. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions on topics to cover in my future videos, please leave a comment below. If you find the information given in this video useful, please share it with others so that they can benefit from it too. So see you again.